Hey everyone, welcome back to Tilster. Today, we're tackling one of the ultimate tests of upper body strength, the pull-up. Whether you're a beginner just trying to get your first representative or an advanced athlete aiming to increase your reps, this video is for you. I'll take you through everything you need to know to master the pull-up with progressive steps and key tips. Let's get started. Before we dive into the progressions, let's talk about why the pull-up is such a valuable exercise. It's not just a test of upper body strength, it also improves grip strength, core stability, and overall functional fitness. Pull-ups work multiple muscle groups including your lats, traps, biceps, and even your core. Plus, mastering the pull-up improves your overall athleticism, making it a fundamental move in many training programs. The first step to mastering the pull-up is knowing where you're starting from. Can you currently do a full pull-up? If not, no worries. We'll focus on progressions for beginners and advanced tips for those already pulling. Beginner. Try doing a dead hang, holding yourself on the bar as long as you can. This tests your grip and upper body endurance. Intermediate, advanced. If you can do pull-ups already, we'll focus on improving form and increasing reps. If you're new to pull-ups or working on getting your first one, start by building foundational strength with these 3 steps. Assisted pull-ups. Use a resistance band or machine to take some of the weight off while you pull yourself up. This helps build strength in the muscles used for the pull-up without overstraining. Negative pull-ups. Negative pull-ups are a great way to build strength in the eccentric phase of the movement. Jump up or use a step to get your chin over the bar, then slowly lower yourself down. Lat pull-downs. Incorporate lat pull-down exercises to strengthen your back muscles, which are key for the pull-up. If you can do a few pull-ups, it's time to work on improving your form and strength. Here's how. Strict pull-ups. Focus on performing strict pull-ups with full range of motion. This means starting from a dead hang, pulling your chin over the bar, and lowering yourself back down without using momentum. Scapular pull-ups. Work on scapular pull-ups to strengthen your shoulders and improve your pull-up form. Start by hanging from the bar, then engage your scapula by pulling your shoulders down and back. Increase volume and frequency. Incorporate more sets and reps into your weekly routine. Try 3 sets of 5-8 pull-ups, 3-4 times a week, depending on your current level. For those of you who can already do multiple pull-ups and want to take it to the next level, here are some advanced tips to build strength and endurance. Weighted pull-ups. Adding weight is a great way to increase the intensity of your pull-ups. Start light, using a weight vest or holding a dumbbell between your feet, clapping pull-ups. For explosive strength, try clapping pull-ups. These not only test your strength but also your speed and power. Pull-up variations. Mix things up with variations like wide grip, close grip, or towel pull-ups. These challenge different muscle groups and improve overall strength. As you progress, it's easy to make some common mistakes that could hold you back or even lead to injury. Let's go over the top mistakes and how to fix them. Mistakes. Using momentum, kipping. To cheat, not going through full range of motion over reliance on biceps instead of back muscles fixes. Slow down the movement and engage your lats and core. Practice proper form consistently. Now that you know the progressions, it's time to create a pull-up training plan. Here's how to structure your workouts for success. Training plan example. Day 1. Assisted pull-ups, lat pull-downs, core work. Day 2. Negative pull-ups, scapular pull-ups, core work. Day 3. Strict pull-ups, weighted pull-ups, advanced core work. Remember, consistency is key. Track your progress and gradually increase your volume. Within weeks, you'll see significant improvements, and there you have it, the ultimate guide to mastering the pull-up. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to boost your reps, these progression tips will help you achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tilster, and share it with someone who's working on their pull-ups too. Leave a comment below with your pull-up progress. I'd love to hear how you're doing. Until next time, stay strong and keep unleashing your potential.